the worksheet which we were doing in the class. Okay, so same worksheet you have to complete and send it to me back.
Ma'am, I completed it. I handed it also.
You have not sent it, Abdullah. Did you send it yesterday? Did you send?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yesterday I did it.
Because I changed the worksheet. I have added 10 more questions to it. I gave you just 2 column of question. 1 more column I have added. Okay.
Achha, okay. So I'll put more 10 questions and then.
Because I have sent you the question paper. Check the question paper. I received from Anas that day, and rest I have not.
Send you the assignment.
You have sent Aisha? Which one? Fraction? Mixed fraction?
Mine.
Muhammad Muhammadi, which assignment? Have you sent me the lowest form assignment?
Ma'am, I submitted just now.
Okay, just now I have not checked. Okay, let me check it.
I'm the 75 one.
I have not done more 10%. I have done just 20%.
Yeah, okay, lowest form I have got Aisha Aga, Abdullah, Anas, Hamdan, Juwairiya, Muhammad Muhammadi, Yahya. Okay, I will check it because I didn't check it till now. I have sent you a different worksheet. Okay, the same worksheet. I have added 10 more questions to it for the lowest form. Okay, so is it clear? Lowest form, I'll explain you once again. We'll revise.
And there were 2 columns and you added one more.
One more, yes. Did you see that, Aisha? You completed all the questions?
I have completed the 3rd column also.
Okay, very good. And did you send me the previous assignment, mixed fraction and improper fraction?
Ma'am, I did it, but I didn't hand it. I forgot to hand it.
So you have to hand in, okay? See, always remember, whenever we are having maths class, just complete your previous assignment. Send it to me before the next maths class.
Ma'am, after class, I'll send it. I've already done it. I'll just send it.
Okay, fine, Aisha. So I'll check it, all the assignments, so that in your maths class, I'll discuss the mistakes, what you have done in the assignment. So try to send it one day before so that I get the time to check the assignment. Okay, fine, everybody. So that we can discuss the questions in the class. Humaira, now everyone, please switch on your camera.
Ma'am, see, I have handed it in.
Yeah, I saw it. You have handed, but all the questions you have not done, na?
Yes, ma'am, just the last 10, ma'am, because you told that this is the same, so I thought I don't have to do more. Sorry.
So just open the worksheet also. Whenever I send you the worksheet, just open the worksheet. 2 columns you already did in the class. 1 column I added. Okay. So that was there. Humaira, Yahya, Rashda, please switch on your camera. See, unless all of you don't switch on your camera, I won't be beginning with the class. So please, because afterwards then we have slides. So I am not able to see you all. Muhammad Muhammadi, did you understand the lowest form? Hamza, the lowest form is clear to you because this is a very important topic. You would be using it always. Even if you go to higher classes, whenever answer is there in fraction, you have to always reduce in lowest form. Otherwise, marks are deducted. If the answer, even if you calculate everything correct and you don't find the lowest form answer, then it is wrong. Either you have to write in mixed fraction form or in the lowest form. Okay, fine, everyone. Okay, still people have not joined yet. Humaira was there in the beginning. Where is she gone now? What is the time? It is 10:07. Yeah, Humaira, you ready? Humaira, you have not yet submitted any of the assignment. What is the problem you are facing? I sent you the assignment once again on Google Classroom. Did you find it? I sent the fraction one once again. See, next class, those who are not submitting the assignment, they will wait in the waiting room. They will complete the assignment and then they will join the class. If you are not doing the assignment, you will not learn what concepts we are doing. That is for your practice. You have to practice questions. Is it clear, Humaira? Humaira, is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you see the assignment?
Yes.
So you have to do.
I am opening the Google Classroom and I am seeing the
pages, I cannot see the pages. The first homework I can see. I cannot see any pages.
First homework means mixed fraction. You're not getting mixed fraction pages.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the issue then? You need to check it out. Why you're not getting the assignment? Okay, just check which email ID is there and you have to inform. Okay, so next time all the pending assignment please complete and upload it on Google Classroom. Hand in, always remember to hand in. Okay, now beginning with our class, we'll start with the triangle puzzle only. Abdullah, have you made me the host? Am I the host, Abdullah?
Yes, ma'am, you are the host.
Okay. Just a minute. I'll just disable chat. Can you see the slideshow, the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it is a similar question that we did in the last class. It is a logical question. Just find out a sequence. What sequence are we going to follow? What is the relationship between all three number and the center number? Just check these two sequence and the same sequence we have to follow over here.
Ma'am, I got it, ma'am. 3 into 7, 21, 20, 21 into 6 is equal to,
Give me the answer. Anyone else has got? What sequence are we following? Just think it is a simple sequence. Abdullah is...
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Ma'am,
3 into 6 and multiplied
ma'am, 4
equals to
4 into 2 is
16
8.
multiplied by
ma'am,
7.
126. Ma'am, 126.
Ma'am, 4 into 2.
126.
Ma'am, 4 into 2 is 8.
126. Yes.
And 8 5s are 40. So 40.
Correct. So that means what is the sequence over here? All three numbers, when you multiply, you get the center number. See, 5 4s are 20. 20 into 2, 40. 10 5s are 50. 50 into 2, 100. So here, same sequence you will follow. Here it will be 6 3s are 18. 18 into 7 is 126. Okay. Is it clear, the answer? Is it clear, everyone? Okay, coming to the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
See, now what is the sequence? Take 2 minutes and think about it. Everyone now.
Ma'am, the sequence is not same.
No, it is not same. How will you get 8 by these three numbers? Subtraction, addition, multiplication together also you can use.
Ma'am, 2 2s are 4.
Then which triangle you are doing? 2 2s are 4. Then
Ma'am, can I say?
yes, Abdullah, try. What is
4
your
6 are 8. 3 6 3 6 are 3 is 6.
No, you give me the relationship over here, then we'll follow over here. What is the relationship over here?
6, first we will do 6 plus 2, it will come 8, and then we don't need to 6. Then we will do 6 plus 2 into 2. So 6 plus 2 is 8 into 2 is ma'am say we will do 6 plus 2, it will be 8, and we will minus 2 from here only. So we don't.
And again you will get 6.
So 6 plus 2 will do, and then plus 2, and we will minus 2.
Okay, then here are you getting the same answer if you follow?
But we can't repeat so many 2s now.
Actually, see, whatever pattern is here, same should be here. But we are not getting the same pattern here. When you follow the same sequence, 7 plus 5 minus 3 and plus 3, you're not getting the same thing over here, right? Actually, you are doing 6
I
plus 2.
multiplied by divided by 7.
That's right, right? Yes, Ibrahim, tell me.
5 multiplied by 3 divided by 7 is equals to 6.
No. Try, everyone try. Hamdan.
Ma'am, we are doing the second one.
This one we are doing.
Ma'am, 6 plus 2 is 8.
6 plus 2 is 8, but here 7 plus 5 is not 6. So you cannot have the same sequence. You just do this. 6 minus 2. What is 6 minus 2? 4
4,
into 2?
8,
8. Here do 7 minus 5.
3, 2, 2. 2 into 3 is 6.
So here 7 minus 4.
Ma'am, this one answer is
So here what will be the answer?
3.
Yes, 3 is the answer. 6 minus 5 and into 3. So 6 minus 5 is 1 into 3. So 3 will be the answer. Do you know how to find out these
5
sequences?
minus 3.
No, it was 3 answer only. Now here, just see the pattern. Only see the pattern for pink triangles because we need the answer for pink triangle only. There is a relationship in pink triangles, or all the triangles you can see same relationships are there. What is the relationship over here?
Ma'am, I know. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3.
Yes, very good. 12 minus 0 is 12 and 12 minus 2 is, oh, I think this one is wrong.
12 plus 2. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
because this one is not pink color.
9 minus 4 equals to 5 and minus 3. Total
5 minus 1 is 4 and 4 minus 4 is 0. There is a relationship only in pink triangles, huh? No purple triangle relationship.
Yes, ma'am. So 5
Nine-
minus 1 is 5 minus 1 is that. What do you say?
Yeah, so here you get a 0. What is the answer here?
Here is 9 minus 4, 5.
Ma'am, 2. Ma'am, answer is 2.
Yes,
5
answer is
minus
2.
3 is 2.
Yes, answer is 2. Okay, coming to our topic. Again, we'll do simplification. I'll once again revise how we did simplification, then you will give me the answer. And don't answer together, Abdullah.
Ma'am, we have to write it in the notebook.
Yes, write it in the notebook. Okay, I would be asking you questions now. And first, let me explain it. How will we do? 10 and
Simplify is
14.
lowest, ma'am.
Yes, lowest form. So 10 and 14. What number will divide both 10 and 14? Which is divisible? Which number will divide both 10 and 14?
2.
Umar, you tell me which number I'll divide?
2.
Yes, 2. So what will be my answer? 2 how many times is 10?
5
2 5s are. And 2 how many times is 14? 7s are. So first answer is 5 by 7. Okay. Next answer. Umar, give me the next answer. What will be the answer over here?
Ma'am, it will be
Yes.
1.
Okay. 2 1s are 2. Then in the denominator,
5
5s are. Very good. So 1 by 5. Javeria? 10 by 12. 10 by 12. What will be the answer?
10 5
No, not 5s are. Which common divisor? 10 should be 10.
2.
2. Yeah. So 2 5s are, you will say. Okay.
Yeah.
And here in the denominator,
2.
2 how many times?
2
6 are, na?
6
So answer will be 5 by 6. Now you no longer divide, so it will be 5 by 6. Okay.
Yes,
Okay. Next is Ibrahim. 5 by 15.
Yes, ma'am. 5 Ma'am, can I answer? 5 ones are.
5 ones are, and in the denominator,
5 threes are.
5 threes are. So 1 by 3.
Correct. It is correct, ma'am.
Yes, it is correct. This way only you have to do.
Ma'am, can I ask a question?
Who is asking?
Juveria.
Yeah, Juveria, tell me.
Ma'am, if there is no combination between that two numbers, we will write the same number.
Yes, if there is no common factor between, like here, everywhere you are getting 2 as common. So you are dividing by 2, all numerator and denominator. But if you don't have a common factor for numerator and denominator, you will leave as it is because your question is in lowest form. Okay? Then you will say that's the same answer.
Ma'am, I was asking that.
So, ma'am, in some also when you in the questions when in the word problems, if you find a fraction answer, then if you ask the lowest form and it is
No,
not in
it
the
is
prime
not.
number.
Even if it is not asked in lowest form, you have to write the answer in the lowest form. Is it clear?
Ma'am, if it is not as Juveria said, if it is not.
Then it will be as it is. It will be in lowest form. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay. I
ma'am,
saw that
this
8
all
by 10.
questions is,
Yeah.
ma'am, this all question is in this all question are there in the that you have given.
No. These are new questions. Okay. 8 by 10. Aisha Aga, 8 by 10. What common?
Ma'am, the answer is 4 by 5.
Yes, very good. 4 by 5. Correct. So now
Ma'am, and we have to write in notebook or not?
write it down in the notebook. Okay. Rashda, 2 by 6. By which number I'll cut?
The answer is 1 by 3.
Correct. It is 1 by 3. 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6. So answer is 1 by 3.
Ma'am, I did not understand the third one. 10 by 12. How the 10 became 5, ma'am?
2 5s are and 2 6s are. Same divisor you have to take.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. 7 by 14. Hamdan. 7 by 14. Hamdan. Hamdan, are you there in the class?
6.
Hamdan.
By 5.
Okay, Mohammadi, give me the answer.
7 1s are 7 and 7 2s are 14.
Yes, very good. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So 1 by 2 is the answer. 6 by 14.
Ma'am, 3 by 7.
Okay, 2 threes are 6 and 2 sevens are 14. You have to say by which number you are dividing. Okay, 3 by 7. Hamdan, you are not there in the class.
Can I say, please?
Hamdan,
Yes, ma'am, I am. I'm in the
no,
class.
you are not there. What are you doing, Hamdan?
Ma'am, I'm in the class only.
4
But I
by
have been asking you questions so many times. You didn't hear.
4 by 2.
Which question did I ask you? Do you remember? I asked you 7th question, you didn't answer. I asked you 8th question, you didn't answer. Why you are not responding? Are you watching something else? Yes, Hamdan. Give me the answer for this. 4 by 8.
Ma'am, done.
4 by 2.
4 by 8.
Oh.
What is the answer, Hamdan? This is wrong.
After
Which common number you will cut it? You know or you don't know? Tell me.
Can I say?
Okay, tell me.
I am there. Ma'am, I want to answer. She answered so many times.
Okay, who will answer? Humaira Qasim?
No, me, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Ma'am, Ibrahim Rizwani.
Let me see who will answer. Umar, give me the answer. 4 by 8.
2
And
4.
so denominator is Again, I will get 2 and 4 also you have a common factor. Now what will be the answer? 1.
1 and 2.
Yes, so the answer is 1 by 2. You have to see till what time you are getting the answer. This is 1 by 2 answer. Okay, 12 by 14. Now can you answer, Hamdan? 12 by 14. By which number you will divide? How to find the lowest form?
Ma'am, can I say?
Okay.
2.
Okay, 2 6 are, you have to say 2 6 are 12 and 2 7 are 14. So answer is 6 by 7. Okay, Rashda, 6 by 10. What will be the answer?
1 by 5.
Yeah. Oh, how 1 by 5?
Oh, sorry, 3 by 5.
Yes. 3 by 5 because 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. So by 2 we are dividing it. 6 by 9, Javeria, 6 by 9. What will be the answer?
Ma'am, the ninth one, when it came 2 by 4,
2 by
crossed
3.
it.
Yes, 2 by 3. 2.
Ma'am,
Wait. Let me write this answer. Yes, tell me, Brian.
ma'am, in the ninth one, when we divided, so 4 ka it is 2 and it is 4. So 2 by 4 you crossed it and it came
1 by 2.
So we need to divide more if it is divisible.
Yes. Till the time it is divisible, you have to go on. Okay. It's not,
Once it comes to 1 by 2, then we cannot divide further.
yes, you cannot divide by common number, na? So it will be as it is.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Muhammad Mohammadi, 2 by 8.
Ma'am, 2 ones are 2.
Yes.
Ma'am, that is 5. I also want to do. Ma'am, in the 12th question, that is 5.
12th question is 3. 3 3s are 9, na?
Okay.
2 and 3. Okay, 4 by 10. Abdullah,
Ma'am, last one I will do. Last one.
you have
4
already
by
told.
10 is 2 upon 5, ma'am. I will do it from that. What is
Yes, 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. 8 by 16. Yeah. 8 by 16.
Ma'am, let Ibrahim tell.
Ma'am,
Okay.
you
2
can
4s are 8 and 4 4s are
Okay, Brian.
16. 2 4s are 8 and 4 4s are 16.
Nahin, same table you have to say. 2 4s are 8 and 2 8s are 16, right? Then what? Then next one more. Tell me, then what?
Can I say, ma'am, I want to say one thing. We can directly use the 8 table, ma'am.
Yes, you can directly use 8 table also if you remember it. If you are using 2 table, then you have to continuously do 3 times. Otherwise, you can directly use, okay, who will tell me the answer? Wait.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay, yes, Abdullah only.
Can I
Abdullah,
tell?
oh, erase pen ho gaya. Okay, tell me, Abdullah, last answer.
Yes, ma'am. 8 ones are, so we will put 1, and 8 twos are 16, so
Yes.
you put 2.
1 upon 2. So any common divisor you can take. Now you are seeing that 16 comes in 8 table. So you can directly cancel 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. Not necessarily that you will go by 2. And if you are going by 2, you have to do 3 times. Is it clear, everyone? For lowest form, you have to keep dividing till you get this, the form where you are not able to divide any common number. Okay. So this is the lowest form. Okay, now we'll start with a different type of fraction. Like and unlike fraction. Anybody knows what is like fraction and unlike fraction? You have read it earlier. I think it is there in
Yes,
the grade
ma'am.
also. Okay, Javeria, tell me, what is like fraction?
Like fraction
Ma'am, I
is
don't remember, ma'am.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, tell.
Ma'am,
Who is
like
answering?
fraction
Anas or
is
Javeria? Who is answering?
no, I got misplaced with proper and improper.
Ma'am, I know.
Okay.
Ma'am, can
Okay,
I tell?
Anas, you tell. Yes, Anas, tell.
Like fraction.
Ma'am, can I
is
say? Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, like fraction, denominator and the denominator are same.
Yes.
And unlike fraction, the denominators are different.
different. See, in like means what? Same. So like fraction means when the denominators are same, the fractions are called as like fractions. Okay. And when the denominators are different, the fractions are called as unlike fraction. Unlike means and we are talking about denominator. Numerator can be anything. Okay. So when the denominators are same, the fraction is called as like fraction. And when the denominators are different, the fractions are called as unlike fraction. Is it clear, Abdullah, now?
Ma'am, I did not understand of unlike fraction. Means if numerator are same, then it is unlike
Numerator
fraction.
we are not talking about. Numerator can be anything. Numerator can be same and numerator can be different also. But we are talking about only denominator. See the example of like fraction. 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 4 by 3, 7 by 3. What is the common thing over here? All the denominators are same. So these are like fraction. Okay. And 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 7 by 5, 9 by 5. See, numerators are different, but denominators are same. So these are called as like fraction.
And these
Here
are
also you see,
examples of like fractions.
yeah, see an example of like fraction. 1 by 4. Here this is what? 1 by 4. This
And
is
ma'am, what about unlike fractions?
we are doing unlike fraction also. First, listen to what is like fraction. Okay, 3 by 4. So all the denominators are same. So that means they are like fraction. And what is unlike fraction? 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4. See the denominators over here. 2, 3 and 4. Denominators are not same. So they are called as unlike fraction. Is it clear? 1 by 4, 5 by 6, 7 by 2. All these are unlike fraction. Okay. Now suppose if I give you one example, comparison we'll do later. I'm giving you example. Okay. Now tell me, is it what are like fraction? What are like fractions and unlike fraction? The question is,
Ma'am, can you take the name of the child? They will only answer.
yes.
We have to write in a notebook.
No, I'm just giving you one example. 7 by 3, 4 by 3, 6 by 5, 3 by 2. Okay. And
Unlike fraction, ma'am.
7 by 3. No, I'm asking you now. I'll name a person and then give a question.
But
Okay,
do not-
Aisha Aga,
What
tell
problem?
me a pick like fraction from this group. One set of
I didn't understand what you said.
like fraction means the denominators are same.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am,
Okay, that is-
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I tell, please?
seven threes are 7 fours are.
No. We are not doing. We are not doing lowest form over here. 7 by 3. You will say. Okay. Okay. 2 I have given
And-
same. Take it as 9. Okay. 9 by 3. Now what are like? Who will take
Ma'am,
out
ma'am,
fraction over here?
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, 9 by
Ma'am,
3,
please,
7
please,
by
ma'am.
3, 4 by 3.
That's all. Only 3 like fraction. What other like fractions are there, Ibrahim? One group Aisha has taken out 9 by 3, 7 by 3, 4 by 3. They are like fraction. Okay. What another like fraction set is there?
Yeah, ma'am.
Tell me.
2 by 5 and 6 by 5.
Yes. Now pick, Anas, pick one set of unlike fraction.
ma'am, 3 to that.
No, you have to say one fraction cannot be unlike, na?
Ma'am, can I say
You
now?
have to together, say together.
हाँ ma'am, ma'am,
Okay,
2.
Rashda. Rashda, tell me.
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, can I tell?
Who is
Ma'am,
answering? I cannot hear. Who is answering?
2 5s, 7 3s are.
No, don't say 7 threes are. You have to say 7 by 3.
7 by
Ma'am,
7
2 by 5, 7 by 3, and 3 by 2.
Very good. 2 by 5, 7 by 3, and 3 by 2. All three have got different denominators. Okay, another set. Aisha Kazi, can you take out another set?
What fractions, ma'am?
Unlike fraction.
9 by 3,
Yes.
6 by 5,
Yes. And
and 3 by 2.
yes. So unlike fraction, you have to be specific that the denominators should be different. Okay. Okay. One more example I'll give. And
Ma'am,
you have to pick the answer.
Ma'am,
you-
means,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
in the exam, you can also ask like, these are what fractions, unlike or
Yes, these can be asked.
filling the
also.
blanks, filling the blanks type.
Yeah, but that much
Ma'am.
easy questions you will not get.
I know that, just I was giving an example.
Okay. Yes. Who is
Ma'am,
asking something?
ma'am, I am Yahya Rizwani. Ma'am, I was asking that if two are same and all are not same, so it is like fraction or unlike fraction.
The two are same. Those will be like fraction. Rest
And
will
the
be
others will be unlike.
understood. Like I'm writing it over here. 5 by 6. I'm writing over here. Now find out the like fraction and unlike fraction. Okay. Hamza. Hamza, where are you? Switch on the camera and find out set of like fraction. Okay. Any like fraction, pick from this group.
Like?
Yes,
Like?
Hamza. Like. Like means same denominator.
Yes.
Yeah, Hamza.
Mm, 3 to the
Okay, 3 2s are, this is 3 by 2. This is not multiplication. This is division. 3 by 2 you have to say. Okay. Fraction, don't say 3 2s are. 3 by 2 or 3 upon 2. Then 3 by 2. Then what else? Where other number you have denominator 2.
Ma'am, can I tell?
3 by 2 and 7 by 2, right?
7 by 2.
Yeah. Okay.
Can I take?
Wait, Ibrahim, you have already answered. Will answer now. Okay, okay. Abdullah, you give me one unlike fraction, set of unlike fraction.
Ma'am.
3 upon 2,
Hmm.
5 by 6, 7 upon 3, 3 upon 7,
Yes.
4 upon 5, and
That's all, no? 6 you have already told,
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
3 by 2,
Yes,
5
ma'am.
by 6, 7 by 3, 3 by 7, and 4 by 5. Okay, these are 5 unlike fraction because all denominators are different.
There is 5 by 6.
This one,
Huh.
okay. Aisha Kazi, one more set of like fraction.
Ma'am, I can also tell.
Okay, Humaira, you tell. I was asking you, you didn't answer. Tell me one like fraction from here.
7 by 2,
Okay.
4 by 5.
No, 7. That is unlike fraction you are telling me. Like fraction I have asked. 2 means same denominator, other number. So what other numbers are there?
7 by 2, 3 by 2.
That's all. That is already given. 3 3 wala denominator. You give me that. 6 6 wala like fraction is also there. Who will tell me?
7 by 3,
Ma'am, can I tell?
4 by 3,
Yes.
13 by...
No. Why 13 by 6? That is a different.
No. Only this.
Okay. Who will tell now? One more like fraction. Umar?
5 by 6,
Can I tell?
13 by 6, and 19 by
Ma'am.
6.
Yes. The third set is gone. Okay, so these were all like and unlike fraction. Now this is clear to you all, what is like fraction and what is like fraction. Okay, now when we have comparison of like fractions, suppose when we have to compare which one is greater and which one is smaller. Okay, so how do we compare? For like fraction, you should first check the denominators. So if the denominators are same, so whichever numerator is greater, that fraction is greater. Okay, so in 3 by 8 and 5 by 8, check the denominators, they are same. So that means which one is greater, 3 or 5? 5 is greater. 5 by 8 is greater. Okay, so now here in the question, just check the denominators are same, 3 by 15, 9 by 15. So which one is greater?
9 by 15.
Ma'am, we have to write
9 by 15. 1 by 3, 1 by 3.
Ma'am, we have to write
Equal.
Let's write down in notebook. 1 by
Ma'am, we
3.
have to write.
Yes, yes. 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. What
Ma'am,
sign I will
equal
put?
to sign.
What sign?
Equal to.
Equal to sign. Yes. Rashta, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. What sign I'll put?
Are also equal to.
Equal. Equal. Okay, 2 by 4 and 1 by 4. Humaira, which one?
2 by 4.
2 by 4. 2 by 6 and 3 by 6. Hamza, which one is greater?
3 by 6.
5 by 25, 9 by 25. Which one is greater?
9 by 25.
12 by 24, 3 by 24.
12 by 24.
24. Okay. So, Umar,
7 by 10.
7 by 10. Which one
7
is
by
greater?
7 by 10.
7 by 10.
10 by 16, 2 by 16.
10
Hamdan,
by 16.
10 by 16.
Hamdan, you're not paying attention. 5 by 10, 8 by 10.
8 by 10.
8 by 10. 8 by 10.
5 by 6 and 5 by 6. Hamdan,
Equals to sign. Equals to sign.
Equals to sign.
1 by
2 by
3,
3.
2 by 3.
2 by 3. 2 by 3.
2 by
2 by
Okay, so this thing is clear to you all. I'm not doing all the
3 by
questions.
5.
Now, how do we compare the unlike
Ma'am,
fraction?
wait, I'm right. I'm writing.
4 by 10, 5 by 10. Then let me complete it. Which one is greater? Mohammad Mohammadi. 4 by
5 by 10.
5 by 10. Which one is
5
greater?
by 10.
5 by
5 by 10.
7 by 8, 7 by 8. Abdullah.
Equals to. Equals to.
Equal to. 20 by 24, 22 by 24. Aisha Aga.
22 by 24.
22 by 24.
6 by 18, 13 by 18.
13 by 18.
13 by
18. 13 by
What is
18.
their names? Why others are answering? 28 by 40, 21 by 40. Tiberia.
28 by 40.
Yes. So these are the questions. Now we'll compare. How do we do?
1 minute. I'm still writing.
It's okay. You can write from the recording also. Okay. Now you know how to do. We'll just do this introduction.
This is very easy, so I did not write.
Okay. Comparison of two unlike fraction. Now like fraction, you know how to do. Okay. It's clear to everyone. Now when we have to compare two unlike fraction, what do? We just cross multiply. Okay. Like I have a question 7 by 12 and 5 by 18. They are unlike fraction because denominators are different. Okay. The denominators are different. So that means what we'll do, we'll cross multiply. So 7 into 18 is 126 and 12 into 5 is 60. So whichever side is numerator is greater. For example, 126 is greater than 60, right? And 126 numerator is 7, right? 7 into 18, correct? 18 is denominator and 7 is numerator. So that means 7 by 12
This
is
is a bit
greater.
tricky. And this is a bit tricky.
This is what?
Ma'am, this is cheating, ma'am. Why is lower is winning?
And
Lower we don't take lower. See, we don't prefer lower.
we have to cross multiply?
You have
Ma'am,
to
why do
cross.
we have to cross multiply? Isn't there any other method?
Huh?
Because we have
Ma'am.
to do. Because this is maths, okay?
See,
Ma'am.
is a shortcut rule. There is another rule in which we take LCM. So LCM you don't know right now. I have
We know,
to
ma'am.
teach
Ma'am,
you.
it is
Ma'am.
very long method, ma'am. LCM. This is better than LCM.
Least common multiple.
Ma'am.
We know, ma'am.
Yes,
We know
least
that.
common
Yes, ma'am.
multiple. So when two
Ma'am,
numbers
LCM is
are
very
there,
big.
two fractions are
I
there.
don't
This is a
like
short. Okay, don't talk together. Yes, somebody is asking question. Ask what was your question? Who is
Ma'am, I
asking?
did not like I did not like LCM. It's very bad and long.
Yeah.
This is this.
Okay, who is anybody is asking question or should I explain?
No, ma'am. Now you call out the
Ma'am.
name and that person will
Ma'am.
answer. Nobody will prompt
Ma'am,
answer.
can you give example? Ma'am, can you give example?
I'm giving example. First, let me explain. Two numbers, unlike fractions, are given. Denominators are, if denominators are not same. If denominators are same, you will compare the numerators and put smaller sign. But if denominators are not same, you will cross multiply, and after finding out the product, you will see which product is greater, and that product numerator will be the greater fraction. For example, numerator is 7 and this product is greater. So that means 7 by 12 is greater than 5 by 18. Is it clear? See, here some more examples are there. 4 by 7 and 3 by 5. Unlike fractions are there. Multiply 5 into 4, it is 20, and 7 into 3 is 21. Right in that side only. Okay. Now you see that 21 is greater, right? 7 3s are 21 is greater. So that means 3 by 5 is greater than 4 by 7. Is it clear? Whenever you are multiplying, write the product at the numerator side only. Then it will be clear. Like here, see, 2 by 3 and 4 by 7. So multiply 7 2s are 14. I will write it over here. Which side numerator is there? There you will write. Then 3 4s are 12. Now 12 and 14, which one is greater? 14 is greater. So that means 2 by 3 is greater than 4 by 7. Is it clear, everyone? Is this clear to you? Unlike fraction, how to
So, ma'am,
compare?
answer the crocodile face will be towards 14, na, ma'am.
Yes. Open face, open mouth will be towards this thing. Okay. 5 4s are 20 and 10 2s are 20. They are both equal. So these two fractions are equal. And if you go for lowest form, see, you will get equal only. See. 10. Yeah. So you see, 2 is a common factor. 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. So actually they are equal only. And when you compare also, you found this to be equal. Okay. So we'll do some more questions so that you understand. When you do it on your own, you will understand. Now see, the questions are over here. Compare the given fractions, 1 by 5 and 1 by 11. So 11 into 1, I will write it over here. And
Ma'am, 1 by 5 is bigger.
so
Ma'am, 1 by 11
you
is
are getting
bigger.
11, here you are getting 5. So which one is greater? 1 by
1 by
5 is greater.
I told that only. ma'am.
Okay, tell, this one is like fraction. This one is like, right? So which one is greater?
7 by
7 by
6. 7 by 6.
7 by 6.
3 by 18 and 3 by 15. Now
3
this
by
is
18.
unlike fraction. What will you do? 15 3s are?
Ma'am, 3 by 15 is greater.
And 18 3s are how many times? How much is the answer? 18 3s are?
18.
Yes? What is 18 3s are? You cannot multiply.
Ma'am,
Nobody is giving me answer.
56.
ma'am, 54, 54, 54.
Yes, it is 54. So which side is greater? 3 by 15 or 3 by 18? Which one is greater?
3 by 15. 3 by 15.
I'm 64.
How 64? 3 and 3 by 4. Who will
I'm
give me
54. 54.
Yes. 2
Now we
by
have
3.
to
Ma'am, 3 by 4. 3 by 4.
3
3 by 4.
Which one is
3
greater?
by 4. 3 by
these
4.
questions.
Yes, write down.
3 by 4.
Aisha Kazi, how will you do?
3
And
by
3
4.
by 4 is bigger. 9. 3 by 4 is bigger. 9.
This is 9, and this is how much?
And this is
4 by
8.
2 is 8.
8.
So 9. The crocodile.
Just one number.
Okay, this one. Who will solve this one?
Oh.
And can I solve?
Solve it and give me the answer. 12 into 8 and 16
12
into 6.
8 are 96.
Okay, ma'am.
Mom, I didn't understand how to do unlike.
And
16 into 6.
the first one, ma'am, the first one,
16 into 6 is also 96.
Ma'am, 16 into 6 is 90.
Ma'am, 96, ma'am. 16
96
into 6 is 96.
Okay, so what sign I'll put over here?
is equal to
Equal.
Equal to.
Okay, 5 by 5 and 5 by 7. Umar,
5 by 5.
Ma'am,
Can I answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
here is what? 25? 5 into 5 is
Five,
5 5 are.
5 5
and
5 are.
35. 35 is bigger.
35 is
One is
bigger.
Okay, everyone write down in your notebook and do it at home. 5 by 6, 12 by 18, 10 by 15, 14 by 21, 2 by 7 and 5 by 30.
Not giving a classroom or we have to write.
Ma'am, can you give this in classroom?
Okay, I'll send the whole sheet then.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. You give too much of.
No, please.
Ma'am, it is holiday. We don't.
So then write down these 3 questions and do it in your notebook. 3 questions only.
Okay.
Done?
No, ma'am, later.
So everyone has understood comparison of 2 unlike fractions.
Ma'am, I understood how to do unlike.
You have not understood?
No.
Just go through the recording. Aisha.
Why not listening?
Aisha, just go through the recording. You will understand. Okay, you just have to cross multiply, and whichever numerator is greater, that
Ma'am, you
fraction
have to
is.
show the method also.
Yes, you have to write the product. Like I have written this side and this side. That way you have to write the product and then say
Oh,
great.
ठीक है.
Okay. Should I stop sharing now?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, no.
Aisha, please go through the recording and then do the questions on your own. You will understand. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You have understood lowest form, then this is simpler than lowest form.
In the lowest form, we need to just simplify, like 10.
Yes, you have to simplify. The common factor you have to divide. Okay, divide with the common factor. Keep on doing.
If they are not divide, if it doesn't divide, if they are not.
Then it is in the lowest form. Okay. See here also 1 by 2. Here also 1 by 2.
What is 518?
Where? Which one?
The
12 by 18.
yes.
It is 12
I'm
by
done.
5 by 6, 10 by 15,
I'm
14 by
done.
21, 2 by 7, 5 by 13. Okay. Now you can check the recording also. Those who have not done.
you log the last one.
Yes.
2 by 7
Yes,
and.
Abdullah, fine. Done. Okay. Those who have already done, please.
Ma'am, I wanted
put your-
the last one. 2 by 7. Ma'am, can you let me write the question? I need to write the question.
Just write the question and
Ma'am,
put
I wanted the last one. 2 by 7 and what was after that?
go through the recording. Tell Abdullah
5
what was
by
the
13. 5 by 13. Ma'am, what was the second one? The second last one?
second last one. What was it, Abdullah?
10 by 5, 10 by 15 and 14 by 21.
21. Yes. Okay. So complete your pending assignments. Next class, I won't allow you in the.
Ma'am, what was the last one?
So complete it. Yeah.
And 10 by 7, 15 by 13.
Now, Abdullah will help you out. I am leaving now. The class is over. Okay. And go through the
Bye.
Hi, ma'am.